Hello, здравствуйте. How? So we are using this power cord trying to charge a speaker, wireless Bluetooth speaker, but we suspect the power doesn't get transferred. So even though because this cord is long, we had it for a long time, and we suspect so. So how to verify that? So first we need to disconnect the cord. Here, this is our weapon. So this is basically this is a multimeter, but it's USB. So we connect it. You can see it began to display some of the, you see the current 0 amp. So we connect that. So this is an easy way to tell if it's charging. See, you can see even though we connect it, so if it's working, then it should display a current, but it does not. So it tells us there's nothing going through this cable. Therefore, we replace this one with a new one that we thought, it's probably working, to verify our guess. As you can see now, the charging indication light is on, and if we double check the amp, you can see now it has amp. So this is a weapon that can help us troubleshoot and then decide through this kind of USB connection. This not only this Type C, but also the iPhone Thunder connector. We can decide what's the problem. Is it from converter or is it from the cable? Thank you for watching. Спасибо, 谢谢.